That looks like an old Chevelle out there.
Yes, it does. It looks like a Chevelle Z16. Cool. Hey there, man. Me and the wife riding by out here and seen that old Chevelle out here in the yard. I didn't know if that thing's for sale or not there, man.
I ain't really thought about it there, feller.
Well, I sure would be interested in it. I'd like to take this thing back to the house and see if I can get a restoration going on it.
Well, make me a price on it.
Well, okay, I'll tell you what, we'll make you a couple offers and we'll see if we can take it back, and if not, I guess we'll just go on without it.
All right, then.
All right, man. That sounds like I think we can get together on the price, and looks like we might just have us a new toy to be working on, man. I sure do appreciate it.
I sure do appreciate it, too.
It sure does look rough.
It does look rough. I believe the body's in pretty good shape on the old car, though. We'll see what the shop can do. Maybe they can do miracles with a frame-off restoration on it.
Wow, they did a great job. It sure did turn out good.
Yes, it turned out great. I tell you, that Z16 Chevelle is one sweet little ride. Hey there, Tuner Tim, man, I sure do appreciate you being able to come out and turn some riches on the engine and getting this engine the way it ought to be, man, on this restoration original, man. I appreciate you coming out, turning some riches on it.
No problem at all, man. I appreciate the business, and good luck on your show this weekend when you carry it out.
Hey, man, I sure do thank you, and we'll catch you later, man.
All right. See you, buddy.
go for a ride.
Sounds like fun. Let's try this 1965 Z16 Chevelle out. It's gonna be a lot of fun.